3 million zloty. That's how much we raised for the school in Lądek-Zdrój. This is what the primary school number 1 in Lądek-Zdrój looks like now. Until recently, a place teeming with life. Today, damaged floors, plaster falling off the walls, damaged benches, chairs, and electronic equipment. It is difficult to hide the emotion. This is simply a beautiful gesture of the state. We did not expect such a sum. This is almost half of our needs. So you are saving half of our school.
Połowę szkoły nam ratujecie.
The management makes no secret of the fact that the needs are enormous, but there is already a plan for what to renovate first. The most urgent need is to restore heating, then the renovation of the school's cloakroom and the spaces that are directly under the classrooms. At the same time, we would like to also start the renovation of the gym, which has been completely destroyed. The elementary school is important to residents and local authorities. 3 million zloty is a sizable part of our annual budget. You are unbelievable, both the representatives of the Republika Foundation and viewers who contributed to the funds. On behalf of the entire community, I can thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thanks to this money, the process of rising from the rubble, because you can see that we are here in ruins, thanks to you, this process will be really fast. 3 million zloty. These funds will be a significant support in the reconstruction of the school in Lądek-Zdrój. We set up this foundation to help Republika television, but we wrote in there such goals as helping victims of disasters, because among the 10 million viewers, there could be people who need help. This foundation is not so that Republika can grow. This foundation is for our viewers to have a better life. But this is not the only place where the funds raised thanks to our viewers will go. We want some of this money to go towards buying washing machines, refrigerators, televisions. Apart from donations to the Republika Foundation, it turns out that people have been donating to other accounts that were set up for independent media, for example. So we will collect all this money and we will allocate it to help ordinary people. Those in power, despite warnings from the Institute of Meteorology and Water Management and the European Union, have failed to take action to avoid the worst. You were greatly embarrassed today by Republika Television, the very television that you do not allow on different panels, organized by Prime Minister Donald Tusk. This television station which donated more than 3 million zloty for the renovation of the school in Lądek-Zdrój, and unfortunately the Ministry of Education did nothing. About 5 million zloty is needed to rebuild the school. The funds that have been raised thanks to our viewers will be a significant support. If everything goes according to plan, students will return to classes in early October. Without your help, this would not have been possible. Thank you.